Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Today I will be making a spicy tofu recipe. You can call it spicy braised tofu or chili tofu, whatever it is, believe me, it is very delicious. You can follow the same recipe using paneer as well if you do not like tofu. So let's get started. As I said in my earlier tofu recipes that tofu always needs a little help as it is bland in nature. Here I have taken warm water. I added a teaspoon of salt to it. You do not need to follow this step at all if you are using paneer, but that salt really does a great job seasoning the tofu. Let the tofu sit in this saline water while you do your other prep work. Coming to the vegetables now, chop 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Chop 1 medium onion. Then I grated some ginger. Here I am using 1 green chilli and 1 large red chilli. Please don't get alarmed by seeing the size of this red chilli as this one is not at all spicy. Believe me, I can munch on it just like a cucumber. It is that bland. Seriously. Cut 1 large green bell pepper into about 3/4 inch squares. Finally, I used only the green parts of the green onions. You can even use coriander leaves. We just need that fresh flavor to finish off this dish. So use whatever is convenient for you. Here in a pan, I have taken 1 teaspoon of whole coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just dry roast it for a few seconds, then take it off heat and grind them. You can even use store-bought ground cumin and coriander powder. I prefer grinding my own spices to get that maximum flavor. Okay, so my tofu has got enough of that salt bath. After taking out from the salt water, soak that moisture by wrapping it in paper towels. Cut the tofu into fairly large cubes. Sprinkle just a tablespoon of flour and 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. You can even use Kashmiri red chili powder instead and freshly ground black pepper. Then gently toss the bowl so that all the tofu get well coated with the flour. Do not use a spoon to do this as the pieces may break, and always add the flour just before frying or else the flour turns gluey. Here I have taken about 4 tablespoons of oil in my pan. Usually most chili paneer recipes call for first dipping the paneer in a thick coating of batter and then deep frying them. But I have found that frying in this way makes them taste even better, and it is healthy as well. Place them in a single layer and fry on medium-high heat till they turn golden brown on both sides. Always use a non-stick pan for frying the tofu, and if you are using a small pan, then fry the tofu in batches. Then take them out once they are golden brown on all the sides. In that same pan, I added another tablespoon of oil on medium-high heat. Add the green bell peppers, sprinkle little salt, and stir fry for about a minute till they get these slightly browned edges. Then take them out with a slotted spoon. As you can see, there is still some oil left in the pan. To this I added cumin seeds. Let them sizzle for a few seconds. Then add the chopped onions. Again add little salt and fry them for a few minutes till they turn bit glossy. For these kind of recipes I always add salt little at a time, but layer by layer, so that all the components get well seasoned and nothing tastes bland. Next goes the chopped garlic, the grated ginger and the chilies. Fry for about a minute till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. Then add the ground coriander and cumin powder and paprika. As I always tell you, use whatever is there in your pantry. You can even use Kashmiri red chili powder or normal chili powder according to your convenience. Stir the spices for a second. Next comes the liquid ingredients, the tomato puree and soy sauce. Add some sugar to brighten up the flavor and little salt. Mix for a few seconds. Then I added about half a cup of hot water. Once the sauce starts to bubble, add the fried tofu and the green bell peppers. Stir everything very gently so that all the tofu pieces get well coated with that gorgeous sauce. Then add the green onions. Now if you feel the sauce is getting a bit dry, then add a few more tablespoons of hot water, but do not add too much as that will dilute the flavor. At this point, do a taste test and adjust the seasonings to your desired level. I felt it needed a little bit of sweetness, so I added a little bit of sugar. This goes very well with rice or even noodles. Please try this recipe and send me your feedback. I would love to hear from you, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.